In today's video, I'll teach you how to log into Rave Watch Party app. So if you want to log into Rave Watch Party app, first of all launch open Rave Watch Party application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Now over here, you'll be able to find various login methods. Facebook, Twitter, Google, etc. Or you can also sign in with email. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, sign in with email. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address. Tap on the field of email. Now what you have to do is provide the email address over here. After you do that, tap on this option, submit. Now you can see over here login link will be sent to your email. What you have to do is open the Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Rave has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find this button for verify your email. Tap on it. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here your email has been verified. Now you'll be logged in to your Rave account. So that is how you log into Rave Watch Party app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.